All right, folks, it is like 5 hours after we left home up in Wichita. We're in Denton, Texas for the Pistons and Paint car show. Brought Mrs. Roy Boy with me for this one. It's a great trip for most of the way, and then all of a sudden she somehow got Disney playlists on the radio. So for 3.5 hours, it was karaoke with this one. So we're going to see some cool cars. So the show used to be like 64 and older, or maybe 67. Now it's 72 and older. So there's a lot of muscle cars mixed in with the hot rods and customs. If you know me, you know my channel. Muscle cars aren't really my thing. She has one. We'll show you all the cool stuff we see along the way. Let us know what your favorite car is, and come here next year.
Next year.
There you go.
And I'll be satisfied. Give me free hand, baby, cause I wanna rock it. Turn me loose and baby, I'll blow my top. Give me free hand, woman, and swing by my side. Give me one hand loose and I'll be satisfied. Are we gonna Charlie Feather song for you? I'll be satisfied. We're going to do another Johnny Cash song for you. Those are always our... Bring her back with me. Hey, thank you all so much again. We're at Texas Fairgrounds. We had a lot of fun.
The only state that use automotive paint, right? You need something. Well, yeah, that's what they Yeah, they play different dogs.
Fire one. You know, I don't think Papa.
These are just decorations. Cool. Are those like that?
I never wanted to that shit because I never wanted to. Bingo. Well, but you understood who you were.
All right, folks, it's that time of year again. The 2025 Roy Boy calendars are now available for pre-order on royboyproductions.com/2025. They are $11 each in pre-order state. Once they are in stock, the price will go up on them. Buy more, get a better deal on shipping. That's not my deal, that's USPS's deal. So go to royboyproductions.com/2025 to see the 2025 Roy Boy calendars. Now, if you don't know about them, here's the thing. These aren't your normal boring calendars with a car on top and the calendar on the bottom. These have 2 cars on every month. So you get, including the cover, you get 25 cool hot rod and custom car show photos to get you through the whole year, you know? Not your normal boring calendar. Go pre-order now at royboyproductions.com/2025.
Oh, she got to see the Northern Lights before we did.
My mom's dad,
You went for a reading?
she's such a pretty child.
Yeah, it was me.
Does it run hot?
All right, I was like, got AC? He's good.
Do you want a wheelbarrow go-kart?
do. And that's when I heard myself saying a prayer or two.
Hi guys, after 14 hours we are finally back home. We went to Pistons and Paint, had an amazing time, lots of cool cars.
Do you want to go to snow?
I will definitely be back. So will Travis. It's one of his favorite shows. We had a blast. So stay tuned for more car shows. Don't forget that our Boy calendars are up on our website at boyboyproductions.com. So get one for you and a friend, and we'll see you at the next show.
See you at the show.
Bye.